Shut your face now. Anyway, I am Abigail. She's Violet on the left. I was on the left last video, but we changed, I guess, this week. This time we got quarter pounder cheese. She got McDouble with everything on it this time. And then I got a mango pineapple smoothie.
And I got the
Holy big bag. How do you eat your fries that fast?
What fries? I asked for a large, but your dad was like, can I get a regular?
Bro, she had dinner like 30 minutes before we went. And then my dad was like, did you eat yet, Violet? As like a test. And she was like, yeah, no. And then why did you pick up my burger? I was like, Violet, you literally ate before we came. And then you were like, no, totally not. You're the worst liar I've ever met in my life.
I wanted McDonald's.
Well, my dad would have got you in it anyway. Anyways,
yeah.
Highly recommend this. It's only like $3 to $4. It's so big and it's so delicious.
I recommend some fries.
Stop throwing fries. Like, get your annoying little Humpty Dumpty Dora Explorer little fat ass out of here before I bitch smack your face. Also, happy new school year. I know, like, it's like tragic for everyone to go back, but gotta live through it. I'm in one of the worst years right now.
Damn. Wait, what year is that? Oh?
I mean, that's what online said. Why does this cheese look so crusty, dusty, musty? Look at it.
Ugh.
It like changes colors. How long has this
Ew!
They taste so good but look so disgusting.
It looks like Humpty Dumpty just started on it.
I don't even like Coke.
Didn't you get it last time?
I got iced tea last time.
Oh, yeah. Survived on an island for 2 days, and the only thing that was there to drink, would you drink Coke?
No. I drink like coconut water.
Ew! Go pickle yourself.
Yo?
Go hump yourself, little pickle. Is that a fly?
Let me see. No, it's burnt cheese.
Ew! They burnt my cheese. Tiniest question mark.
I'm gonna spill your Coca-Cola all over your face.
No, my Coca-Cola.
But why is that driveway so thick? Just like you.
Yo.
400, run without stopping, and as soon as the like race ended, I got first place, but I fell over and I couldn't breathe, and then my friends all came running over to me with water, and my whole school was watching me, and I was literally like shaking, and I like collapsed, and my friends were like pouring water on me. Yeah, they all call me Abby. I'm not even known as Abigail anymore. My family calls me Aber. Remember when you wanted to call me Abby when I was younger, and I was like, no.
Yeah. Yo.
It's always been Abigail, never Abby for you. So pick me. Choose me. Love me. Guys, if you haven't watched Grey's Anatomy, it's on Netflix, ABC. The best shit I've ever watched in my life. Except for 911. Also, go watch 911. 911. I'm obsessed with 911.
And watch The Rookie.
Oh, yeah. The
Rookie's
too.
good.
Yeah. Also, bro, I literally have posters on my wall of 911.
Yeah,
and
she has
pins.
scripts.
Yeah, I have scripts of 911 on my wall. I have a sign of 911 on my wall. I have pins of 911. It's not even funny. I have a blanket of 911.
What was that?
We should have got put that on the brain rot poster. Goo goo gaga. He would have gone goo goo ga. He said boy Sigma. He was like boy Sigma boy.
If you haven't seen that short yet, go check it out.
Oh yeah, my dad. He read brain rot to us, and he was like, boy Sigma boy.
No, she was like, and when he was like, good boy. Good B-O. I.
And he was like, Sigma boy.
That doesn't even look cooked.
Yes, it does. The fuck?
The cheese. It's cold.
It looks like Kraft Dinner cheese. Baby, I forgot it's grand.
Goo goo gaga.
By the way, if you meet us in person, like, I know that we're not famous, like, at all. But if you do see us in public, she's really short.